Hello, rusty tool lovers everywhere. I received a box in the mail today from my friend Dale at Dale's Workshop. So I thought maybe we'd open this thing up together and see what our good friend Dale sent us. So hang on, let's see what's in the box. This box is pretty heavy, so I'm anxious to see what's in here. Dale sent a note, and I'm going to read that off camera, and then I'll be right back. Dale sent a very nice note and a nice Christmas card. So I appreciate that, Dale. Merry Christmas to you and yours. And to everyone else out there, too. Okay. A couple of rolls of tape. Those would be handy. Thank you, Dale. Look at that interesting little offset wrench there. Made in USA, 5/16 and 1/4. Forged select steel. Cute little wrench. That'll clean up nicely, I'll bet. Oh, I've been needing one of these. A battery terminal cleaner. Yeah. Thanks, Dale. I actually need one of those. That is a big old syringe there. You can use that for gluing. Very handy. Uh-oh. Come back here. Come back here. Oh, there's another one. Okay. Two of them. Oh man, look at that. Spyderco. I believe that's some kind of a hone, a knife hone. And a nice little leather case. Very good, very nice, Dale. I'll put some neat's foot oil on that and it'll oil right up nicely. Oh, chalk line. Very good. I had one of these somewhere, but I've misplaced it, so I'm glad to get this. In fact, I'm going to use this next spring when I'm doing some work on my deck. So this will get used. Thank you, Dale. Going to be doing some deck work next spring, and this will come in handy. Oh my goodness, look at here. For adjusting distributor points, spark gap tappets, pistons, feeler gauge. Excellent. It's in great shape too. I will clean that up and keep it. It's nice. Thanks. Look at this little nifty little wrench. See if I can see any markings on it. Don't see any. Oh, there. Yeah, okay, there it is up there. And that's got some pitting up there. This will clean up really nicely, though. In fact, this will look very nice in the display boxes that I'm working on now. That will be seen in a future video. I'm redoing the whole workbench area. So this is a little preview of that. That's just the right size to go in these little boxes. Thanks, Dale. Wow, look at that clamp. Can never have too many clamps. This ought to clean up nicely. Armstrong, it says. That'll clean up. Thanks, Dale. You can never have too many of these things. And last but not least, quarter cable. Man, Dale knows I like little tool sets. Very nice. Mostly all there. I think that probably goes in there kind of like that. Yeah, I'm a sucker for these little tool sets. Thank you, Dale. I really appreciate it. Dale, I thank you very much for this. It's very generous of you, and I really appreciate it. So I'm sure we'll be seeing some of these in upcoming videos. So thanks again, Dale. I really appreciate it.